You asking why you need to diversify your circle of friends? Stay tuned. What's up, guys? It's your girl Monica Mo Got Sales Allen with partnerwithmonica.com. If you have not already done so, do me a favor, please, and make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you please tap that bell so we can go ahead and I can make sure that you get all of this goodness that I'm trying to drop for you. So everyone wants to know, why do you need to diversify your friends? That's because everybody shouldn't be like you. You know, the largest saying, one of the largest sayings, is that if you're the smartest person in the room, you're probably in the wrong room. Which also, if everyone is like you in the room, you're never going to grow. I've made an effort to make myself just talk to different people, communicate with different people, communicate with people who are on totally different levels than I am, but always on that level that I'm trying to get to, always where I'm trying to go. Just because if I'm not where I want to go, why would I talk to people who have, you know, they've completely given up on themselves, you know, or they're not trying to do better or whatever. But mainly the reason why you want to diversify your friends is just so that you can have some depth to your life. When you're diversifying your friendships, when you're diversifying the content that you're exposing yourselves to, the people that you're exposing yourselves to, you open yourself up to new things. You open yourself up to new ways to take trips. You open yourself up to new ways to do business. You open yourself up to new ways to communicate with other people, because everyone doesn't communicate like you, which is a good thing that everyone doesn't communicate like me. So that's one thing. But the main reason why I think it's important to diversify your friends is the fact that we're all from different places. We can all teach each other different cultures, and we all are going to different places. Okay. So with that being said, that means that we're able to help each other. We're able to coach each other up. We're able to hold each other's hand. We're able to, you know, just like lock arms together and succeed together and win. That's why I think it's important that we all just like, we come together as a community, especially in the digital marketing world. Like, the digital marketing world is notorious for thinking everybody needs to be in competition. Nobody cares. Okay. Nobody cares what you're doing other than to see if they can improve on whatever they're doing. They want to be able to try to improve on some of the aspects of marketing that they're handling. But nobody's hating on you. Nobody's like trying to drop your style or anything like that. It's just a matter of everybody wants diversification, and that's not a bad thing. Okay. So definitely in your circle, definitely like try to impress upon your following to diversify who they're with, who they're around. Like, my best friends don't come from the same place I come from. My best business partners don't come from the same place I come from. We all come from different backgrounds. We all come from a different means, which means that we all have something different to bring to the table. So that's important. Okay. So just a real quick tip, guys, make sure you're diversifying your circle. Make sure that you don't have the same people. Everybody shouldn't be alike, and everybody, you just, why would you want to be around a bunch of yous? I don't know, it might not be so bad being around a bunch of Monicas, but of course I think so. So excuse the truck in the background, actually a motorcycle, excuse me, motorcycle in the background. I'm gonna go ahead and crush this video. So guys, make sure, for one, you're diversifying your friends. Two, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me know, also drop in the comments what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see more of, so we can make sure that we get it cracking for you. I want to be here to support you. I want to be here to bring you just graceful content and things that are going to help you. So I look forward to the next video. Have a good one.